Oh hi, hello, welcome to my video. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new. I am Pixie, and today I thought we'd do the school on Happy Home Paradise. I have done it before and it was kind of rushed. I went for sort of a forest style school where the outside was inside. You'll see at the beginning, it was fine. I just didn't put much thought into it. But what I did think was, why don't I try something completely different? Now, my channel's brand new, so you guys won't really know, but I've never done KIDCORE. It's not really my thing. I'm very cottagey, pretty, pastel-y forest, sometimes towns. I do towns a lot, but KIDCORE just seems quite a lot for me. It sort of overloads my it overloads my sensories. That is the word I'm after. You'd think I'd cut that out. I'm not going to. But I thought, I wonder if I could do a more compact, slightly toned down version of KIDCORE, and the best place to do KIDCORE would be a school or a nursery. So I decided to do a nursery, air quote, a daycare, kindergarten, wherever you are. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. It's only a short video, so I'm not actually going to talk through it. It's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing. I hope you enjoy it. You'll have to let me know what you think of KIDCORE. Like I say, it's definitely not necessarily for me, but I did enjoy doing this. I did enjoy doing something different. But yeah, I'll be back at the end of the video to say thank you and bye. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Oh hi, it's me again. I mean, it probably will be me considering it's my videos, but I thought I'd just pop in and say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's definitely something completely out of my comfort zone. I'm still not 100% sure, but it's a daycare. Daycare's meant to be colourful. I've just gone with it. Yeah, the last thing I do is I change all the members and I change them back into like daycare clothes as opposed to uniforms, because at the minute they look too old to be at this school. But yeah, thank you so much. I hope you subscribe, give it a like if you want, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Fingers crossed. Bye.